Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Note 12. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display and brightness. Right here you'll find every setting for your display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change wallpaper, enable or disable iCare, schedule it and adjust its sensitivity. Then you can enable dark theme, also schedule it and change intensity. Next you can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Then you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable AOD and change style of the AOD. Next you can enable or disable Ultra Touch, change swipe speed and motion speed, change font size, enable or disable inadvertently mode, auto rotate screen, and then you can manage lock screen preferences like notification on lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, and lock screen overlay. In the end, you can enable or disable status bar network speed display. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.